What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, class gonna be in session today, so do me a favor. I need you to take some notes. I need you to write some of these things down, and then I want to see you go out and apply them as early as tomorrow. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, guys, we bringing the charts out on today. Today's example, I want to talk to you guys about a strong move, okay? And when you see this happens in the market, I want you to start anticipating certain things to take place within the stock. Okay, a strong move will look like this. The strong move will come up, okay, and then it will hit a level. Okay, let's call that level 1. Okay, and when it gets to this level, it will pull back only to come back up to retest this level again. Okay, we're gonna call that the second test. All right, now sometimes, guys, this level can pull back extremely far, or sometimes, guys, it can just be something that goes right back to what we just showed. Okay, but when the strong moves happen, you want to look for that second test. So your entry needs to be off of the bounce, or maybe around here, understanding there's going to be a retest of this upper level. Okay, so the entry would be here, and you're looking to play this move here back up to this target, and then you will exit here. Okay, I'm going to show you guys a couple examples where you're going to see this time and time again, but you need to be aware that once the strong move is over, okay, once the strong move is over, let me move this out the way. Once the strong move is over, okay, guys, now the play resets again. Okay, so once it hits this level, the strong move may be over. Boom. Now the stock can either go back down, the stock can make a new high and continue higher, or whatever the case may be. Okay, so you need to be mindful of that. Let's go ahead and dive into it on the charts. Okay, guys, for teaching purposes, we're going to use Tesla as an example, and I want you to look for the exact thing I pointed out to you with that example, with that illustration. I want you to look for it in this example here. Let's go ahead and knock it out. Okay, check this out. You had a strong move up, boom, the stock came back, and then boom, right here. Okay, so you had that 1, and then you had 2, but look at what the stock proceeded to do, guys. It came, and then it went even higher. Okay, that's a higher high. Okay, but look at what happened once it made a higher high. It had a 2 test theory right here, came down, boom. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, and then it made what we call a double top. Okay, and then this double top leads to what? The stock coming back down. Okay, boom. And it came down to this level right here. Okay, but the move is you getting in on the second attempt. Okay, so if you missed a strong move up, you want to wait till that pullback happens. Okay, if you missed a strong move up, you want to wait till that pullback happens, and then look, guys, you get in right here. Boom, you get in right here. That's your entry, and then you ride it back up to right there. Now, if you know what you're doing, if you got your stop loss on, you can hold this because it end up going higher. Okay, but then look, once it reached this level right here, it came back down, strong move up, it come back up, like it's like clockwork, guys. But then now you have to transition to, oh, once I see a double top or sometime a triple top, then I know the stock is coming back down. And look at where the stock end up coming back down to, guys, on this example. Boom, this same level right here. Okay, and so you need to be mindful of these things when you are charting. All right, let's check this next one out. Okay, look at this example. All right, here we have the SPY. All right, now I moved out to the 1 week chart for you just so you can see this example as well. Okay, watch this. Strong move up, it comes down, and then look at where it comes to, guys. Boom, right there. Level 1, level 2. Like the last scenario, it went on to make a higher high. We're gonna call that HH until it formed and then begin to come all the way back down. The whole entire move today, this was today, okay? This whole move was retraced and came all the way back down to this same exact level here, which was at 395 level, okay? And that's a level, a key and critical level of support, okay? But I want you guys to start seeing these in the charts and understanding that you guys can, again, take high probability setups in the trading game time and time again, okay? Look at this one more time. Anytime you see a move go up, the lesson is this right here. This is number one. It's not about number one. A lot of you might miss that if you wasn't in it already. It's about waiting for the pullback, okay? The pullback is also where you enter at, okay? And then you get in and you ride this up here, boom, to number two, and then you exit, okay? You exit because now you're preparing to ride the stock back down after these double tops, triple tops is formed, boom, then it's gonna flush, okay? And you can count on these setups time and time again. Now, they don't come in the most efficient manner that you guys might like, but nevertheless, they're there for the taking once you guys begin to identify patterns, behaviors, and fluctuation within the stock market, okay? So I want you guys to use these things to your advantage on tomorrow, as early as tomorrow, guys, and see if you can use these to make sure that you make some easy money as well as some efficient money in the game, okay? That's what I'll be looking for you guys. But I just want to show you a strong move up. It's going to pull back. The pullback, sometimes you got to study in advance. You have to know what levels it's pulling back to, so that's how you can time what your entry needs to be, okay? And then once you get in, you try to ride it back up, maybe to that same exact level. Sometimes it come a little short, sometimes it overshoots. But when you have a strategic trading plan, okay, when you're sticking to a plan, you know, I'm getting in here, I'm getting out here. You're not overstaying your welcome. You're not trying to hold too long. You're not being greedy. You're just taking what the market gives you. The big play, which is not today's lesson, was the double top move. That's when you can stay in it and ride it all the way back down, because typically in those type of situations, you're going to get that big move down. That's how those $20,000 days happen, guys. And I'm talking about days. You don't have to take all year to make 20 in a day. That's possible. I do it. I show you guys it's possible, but I'm trying to show you the setups that leads to that so that you can see for yourself how it's done in real time, okay? So with that being said, on tomorrow, guys, I want you to see if you see any developments occurring, and if there's anything that you can start kind of projecting that the chart is beginning to take shape in, okay? And then if it's there, you take it. If it's not, you let it go, okay? When in doubt, sit it out. I often say that in the Discord, okay? Matter of fact, join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. But listen, guys, when you are able to take high probability setups, it, one, makes you more comfortable. Two, it makes sure that you guys don't have to feel so much anxiety. You know, okay, the double top should lead to the stock moving down. A strong move up should lead to a pullback, only for the stock to move back up. However, it's not going to keep running forever, so then you have to jump out of your call bag into your put bag and ride the play down, okay? Listen, man, I hope this was helpful. This is another classes session. This is another teaching tutorial to make sure you guys are getting just the education you need to, more importantly with me, go out, apply, and get these results, okay? So leading up into 2023, guys, I'm going to be teaching so we can hit the ground running together in 2023. I don't care that you learn this all in one day. I didn't learn it all in one day. It took me a bunch of money lost, took me a bunch of losses, but once I got it, I have a duty to teach, guys. And so I'm going to show you the things that I do to dominate the stock market. And when you see this for yourself, you're going to say, oh, I see why Chris says he can dominate in any market condition, bull market, bear market, because these patterns continuously present themselves. And when you take advantage of them, it leads to high probability setups, which leads to easy and efficient money-making opportunities in the market, okay? Listen, guys, we're not guessing, we're not gambling. We're taking high probability setups. We're taking calculated risks each and every day to hit our financial goals on our journey. Okay, listen guys, I hope this was helpful. We make videos like this every day. If you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.